Tops Arm, July the 20th. Don't see if there's any codfishes this morning. What a beautiful morning. Were you really? Look what I got jigged here. That's a redfish. First one ever. Here we go. Hold this on. Take that. Some spikes in it. What a beautiful day on the water. Can't ask for no better. I got my buddy Lee Randall from Tops Arm with me. He's our guide, but no fish. No fish today. Yeah, I see you. Yeah. Fighting good.
What are you?
Look at this.
Scope.
I got scopeland and a good over gallon.
Oh, got a catfish shot?
Okay.
Nice cod.
Yeah.
I don't want to touch the fish
Here,
though.
Kelly. Here you go. Bring it in. Right in over the side. Bring it in over the side. Laying right down. That's a nice codfish, yeah.
Okay, what are you going to do? Untangle it?
Okay.
Okay, I got that one.
It's a nice one, isn't it?
Dude, this one yours?
Yeah, let him go. Yeah.